come up close so you can zoom in on this. Zoom in on what this looks like. Can you come over the top? Can you see how there's like a hole in the middle?
Mm-hmm.
So you just got to go into that hole. I should have been picking him up and palpating his body, because you can find them a lot earlier if you do a physical exam.
You're just sort of picking it out a piece at a time.
I am, and instead of, I mean, it's pretty stiff and I can't really get in there, so I'm trying to put the pressure I'm applying with the tweezers on my thumb rather than on his delicate little bird body. Using my opposing thumb as a fulcrum point. You can see how, oh, I don't know if you can see, but my opposing nail bed is actually turning white as I try to get in here to get a grip on this and not see how the dust and crap coming off of it. Knowing that he's trying to groom himself, knowing his propensity for feather cysts, I should have been checking him every month or so.
It's like picking out the marshmallow inside.
I know. I'm sorry, buddy. It's really big. This is probably as big as the first one he had, which was pretty darn substantial. Ugh. Trying to get it exposed. I'm sorry, can you move your little head? He just seems to sit here really passively when you do this. It's kind of almost spooky how, like, I'm not restraining him at all. He's just pretty much laying in my hand. Okay, you can stop it for a second, and then when I